Welcome to the Moon Talks with Dad channel. Today, we will explore a practical, step-by-step daily routine blueprint to help you build lasting habits from morning to night using simple strategies like the 2-minute rule and habit stacking. Our brains naturally drift toward whatever is easiest right now. If a choice requires intense mental effort, we usually avoid it in favor of the nearest, quickest payoff. Relying on raw willpower to overcome that natural drift rarely works for long. True consistency comes from designing a physical space where doing the right thing takes almost zero effort. To build this environment, you need to collect a few specific items. Grab your workout clothes, a book you want to read, a large water bottle, a paper calendar, and a marker. Setting these objects up ahead of time removes the need to make decisions in the moment. You don't have to remember your goals or force yourself into action. By putting your intentions out into the physical world, you clear the roadblocks. The new habit actually becomes the easiest option available to you. The first phase is your morning. The objective is to generate immediate physical momentum the second you wake up, without needing to think or negotiate. To make that happen, you set up your environment the night before. Lay your workout clothes right beside your bed and place your chosen book exactly on the center of your pillow. This diagram illustrates habit stacking. Take an established daily behavior and use it as a trigger for a new behavior. For example, when your feet touch the floor, use that physical action as your immediate cue to make the bed. Next, we apply the 2-minute rule. Forget about a 45-minute exercise session. Your only assignment is to spend 2 minutes putting on the gym shoes waiting by your bed. To make this appealing, you link it to something you already enjoy. Only allow yourself to listen to your favorite podcast while you are doing your morning exercise. You aren't testing your motivation. You are simply following a pre-designed sequence of automated cues, letting one easy win carry you right into the next. Phase 2 covers your workday. Here, the strategy shifts. Instead of trying to build momentum, your job is to fiercely protect your deep focus. Start by taking that large water bottle, filling it, and setting it in the exact center of your desk. It serves as a constant, unmissable cue to hydrate while you work. To handle distractions, you do the exact opposite. You break a bad habit by completely hiding its visual cue and making the physical action difficult to perform. Turn your phone to Do Not Disturb and physically hide it inside a desk drawer. It takes extra physical effort to reach it, breaking the automatic reflex to check for notifications. Finally, as your workday ends, use a transition stack. The physical act of closing your laptop becomes your trigger to write down your top 3 tasks for tomorrow. By removing visual distractions and creating physical barriers, you make productivity the default state rather than a constant internal battle. The evening phase is the time to register a win, creating the positive feedback loop necessary to repeat the behavior tomorrow. When you get into bed, pick up the book you left on your pillow that morning. Your goal is to read exactly 1 page. Human brains require instant gratification to encode an action as a repeating habit. We need immediate reinforcement to tell our minds that the effort was worth it. So the very second you finish your habits for the day, take your marker and draw a heavy, satisfying X right on your physical calendar. Over time, you build up a visual streak of success. Your brain sees that unbroken chain of red marks and naturally develops a desire to keep it intact. Ending the day with a tangible mark of success provides the sense of accomplishment needed to want to repeat the routine. You now have the full blueprint: a frictionless morning, a highly defensive workday, and a satisfying evening routine. But attempting to execute this entire sequence perfectly on day 1 is the most common point of failure. Taking on too much at once leads straight to burnout. Instead, drastically scale back your ambition. Give yourself permission to pick just one single 2-minute habit from this list, like putting on your shoes or reading 1 page. The size of the habit does not matter yet. Mastering the art of simply showing up on a consistent basis has to happen before you ever worry about scaling up the intensity. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.